Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the one, the only Amir of appetite, Caliph of cuisine, the Sultan of snack. Guys, I'm here once again in beautiful downtown Macon. You can hear the birds singing to me. And I'm here at the Rookery, and supposedly they have one of the best, if not the best, burgers in all of Macon. So we're gonna go in here, give it a shot, and as always, I'm gonna let you guys know what I think. Let's go. There is the Rookery. Let's go inside.
The morning, so
Y'all doing a remind one?
remind one, and remind two. Two remind one, and remind two. Right after 41.
Is that a lie?
Yeah,
Is he just for
it's all separate things.
So we got here our Rookery burger with hand-cut fries. We got a double stack with American cheese, dill pickles, mustard, and Coca-Cola ketchup.
Right there, looking in the window for y'all's burgers. Hold on a
I'm just gonna go with it. I'm just gonna have to just go with the vertical.
pull on your weird screen and shoot out.
Yeah. I feel it's just kind of ginormous. Go. You get a bite yet, Phil?
It's good.
It's good.
It's a tad bit expensive, but it's definitely worth the price.
I think so. Got the nice crust on the burger on the outside. Exterior.
I think that's just really tasty.
You know what? It might be. I'm hoping they work a little magic behind the scenes. Because I'm assuming they would just stir in some Coca-Cola to it. I don't know, over low heat, I don't know. It's definitely nice and meaty. I ain't gonna leave hungry. How are the fries? Good. Good. They look good. About time. Yeah, those are good.
Check out that video if you haven't.
Yeah, these are good, Philip.
Self-plug. You gotta do the pointing thing, like click this video below.
Yeah. When I start doing that, putting the little links or whatever, to pop up on the screen.
Yeah, there you go. So it's always gonna be your hand. That comes into this.
These would be good with malt vinegar, Phil.
Yeah.
There's a bottle of that.
Give me grab it for you. Oh, you got it?
Malt vinegar. Okay. Anybody knows that malt vinegar goes on fries. Ain't that right, Phil?
Even picky eaters love malt vinegar.
Yeah.
And it's going to try on their fries.
Yeah. Can't really have too much either.
I don't know if I've ever had malt vinegar on fries.
Oh, you gotta try it.
How do you know?
I just assumed
Is it a southern thing? Is it a southern thing?
Like British? It's good. It just goes, man, on these kind of real fries like this. Like, I ain't gonna do it on McDonald's, but on this end.
I'm about to find out.
Zach trying the malt vinegar fry. You gotta get it.
That's not bad.
Not bad?
It does go pretty well together.
Would you do it again?
I'm gonna do it again.
Deal.
8 out of 10.
It's a nice high score.
The British know what they're doing sometimes.
The British are coming.
The British came with the malt vinegar and then...
And we said we can take it from here. That's what happened. We said we can take it from here. Okay, Philip asserts that this is not a proprietary ketchup. I can't tell.
There wasn't any difference between the color and the taste.
No polos coming through.
Not for me.
Have y'all ever had Coca-Cola barbecue sauce? That I feel like you can taste it. Okay. I feel like you can taste it. It's good. There used to be a Sweet Baby Ray's cola flavored one too that they sell in store, but not anymore.
Do you all remember that crazy ketchup color?
The green,
purple.
purple.
Yep.
Blue, what?
There's something off-putting about that. Yeah, there's something off-putting. I mean, I did it, but
I
yeah.
tried the blue ones. I mean, it tasted like ketchup, but it was a bad thing. I couldn't eat it.
Telling you, fried eggs on burgers is underrated. Really good.
That's Phil's favorite. That's Phil's favorite.
Yeah, that's what he's done. Loves the fried eggs.
He's kind of an egg fanatic in general.
I've been shocked, yeah. I didn't realize it was a double, two burgers.
Unfortunately, I realized and got it anyways. I guess I assumed, because some places when you get the double stacks, it'll be the same amount of meat, but they'll break it down into smaller patties, and that's why the price was comparable. I just assumed that the double stack was going to be maybe same amount of meat, but just two thinner burgers. Instead, I think it's the same burger that was on the rest of the burgers on the menu, but they just put two of them on there. But the prices were so close that I'm like,
This burger is
Oh, okay.
it was like $14.50 or something.
They had a $13 one, I think.
But I saw when it was like it said add a stack to the burgers was like $3, like a piece of cheese and a burger.
I'd like 5 stacks of burgers, please.
Yeah, Philip, I like these fries. It's like if I were to make fries, they'd be kind of like this, skin on and everything.
Okay, the potato skin still on too.
Skin on, malt vinegar. But some potato, we want, you know, you get that nice, you know, a little bit of everything. Yeah.
Pulled out my finger, Phillips.
Man.
Oh, it wasn't on the camera, I don't think. There you go. That was way too much. And then we're gonna have a ton of time to kill. Only 12:40. Thank you.
Yeah, she's talking about going straight to it, getting a map.
Matt, I close it out. So all in all, the Rookery burger was good, and I believe does live up to the hype. Certainly one of the best burgers in Macon. Give it a shot. If you like what you see, please like, comment, share, subscribe. And as always, Philip, do the finger. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And as always, spread the good word. This is Snack and Sultan, signing off until next time. Thanks, y'all.